In this video, I will show you how to download and install Comodo Antivirus software in Windows 11. If you want to download and install Comodo Antivirus software without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Then you have to search Comodo in the search bar. When you search Comodo, then you have to search Comodo free antivirus. Remember, search this Comodo free antivirus. Then click enter. When you click this, Windows will be open. Here you can see download free antivirus software, get complete Comodo. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach Comodo official website. It is official website of Comodo. Now for downloading it, simply click activate now. When you click activate now, one pop-up window will become. Here you can see one pop-up will become. You have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, you have to click save. You can see our file is downloading. We have to wait for some time. Then we will install it. When you press Ctrl plus J in your keyboard, you can see here. Wait for some time, then we will install it. Here you can see we have just downloaded Comodo software. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here you can see file. Right click on it, then click open. Remember, we are installing Comodo. You have to click yes. After clicking yes, you have to click accept and install. If you want to change language, here you can change. But we will continue with English language. Then click accept and install. And our Comodo install internet security is installing. Again we have to wait here for some time. Then you will see Comodo logo here. Here you can see Comodo logo. It means we have downloaded it and installed it without any error. Now you can use it. If you have any query, you can ask in comment box.